KALV Pharmaceuticals is trending across biotech and investor communities following a major breakthrough announcement. The FDA has approved EKTERLY, the company's oral treatment for hereditary angioedema. This is a milestone moment not just for KalVista, but for the entire rare disease treatment landscape. Why this is huge. EKTERLY is now the first and only FDA-approved oral on-demand treatment for hereditary angioedema attacks, a potentially life-threatening genetic condition characterized by sudden and severe swelling episodes in various parts of the body, including the face, throat, abdomen, and extremities. Before EKTERLY, patients were limited to injectable treatments, which often meant managing attacks involved needles, preparation time, and the need for storage and administration assistance, particularly stressful during an acute episode. With EKTERLY, patients now have the power of rapid, at-home, needle-free treatment in pill form. This addresses a long-standing unmet need in the HAE community and dramatically improves the quality of life for patients. What the community is saying. Investor sentiment is turning bullish fast. Here are the major topics being discussed. Market impact. Analysts and retail investors are speculating on EKTERLY's potential to disrupt the HAE market, which is currently dominated by injectable products from companies like Takeda and CSL Behring. By offering an oral alternative, KalVista may capture significant market share, especially among patients and physicians seeking ease of use and improved compliance. Peak sales estimates. Projections vary, but many estimates suggest peak annual sales between $500 million and $1 billion, depending on uptake, pricing strategy, and payer acceptance. For a small-cap biotech like KalVista, those numbers could be transformative. Pipeline optimism. EKTERLY's approval also validates KalVista's drug development platform. The market is now closely watching the rest of the company's pipeline, which includes additional oral therapies for HAE and other kallikrein-mediated diseases. The successful FDA approval boosts confidence in KalVista's ability to bring more innovative treatments to market. Stock price movement. Following the announcement, KalV stock saw a surge in volume and upward momentum, reflecting renewed interest from institutional investors, biotech traders, and long-term holders alike. Many in the community believe this is just the beginning of a potential re-rating of the stock, which has been undervalued due to earlier regulatory and development uncertainties. Why oral injectable is more than just convenience. The approval of an oral option isn't just about comfort. It represents a paradigm shift in how patients experience and manage a chronic, high-burden disease. It removes many barriers. No refrigeration, no need for training on self-injection, faster access in emergency situations, better patient adherence. This can lead to lower overall healthcare costs, fewer ER visits, and more independence for patients, which could make EKTERLY highly attractive to both patients and insurers. Key takeaways for investors. EKTERLY approval puts KalVista on the map as a serious biotech contender. The drug could generate hundreds of millions in revenue in a market hungry for oral options. Long-term holders are now looking at potential partnerships, M&A interest, and global expansion as upside catalysts. Momentum is strong, and the stock is being reevaluated not just as a speculative biotech, but a commercial stage company with real revenue potential. What comes next? Launch timeline. Eyes are now on the commercial rollout. Pricing details, distribution partnerships, and physician education will be key in the first few quarters. Global expansion. Potential EMA approval for Europe could open a second major market. Partnership rumors. Some speculate that larger pharma players might look to partner with or even acquire KalVista to gain access to EKTERLY and its pipeline. Summary. KalV's FDA win with EKTERLY is a turning point. It's not just a win for investors. It's a huge leap forward for patients with hereditary angioedema, marking a shift from reactive, difficult treatment protocols to a more proactive and user-friendly future. Investors now see KALV as more than a speculative play. It's becoming a growth story.
Okay, yeah, that's what's going on. It has maintained this gain of 14.86%. This is Monday, the 7th of July, 2025. This is the underlying trend. This is okay. This is the 4-hour chart. The only chart that is currently reacting to what is going on. Let's have quickly dash through the daily chart. The underlying trend is, I think, slightly bullish. Yeah, slightly bullish. Before now, as if the algos knew they were projecting higher prices. The market is just about to open. This is the projection from Thursday, the 3rd of July. High prices was expected to remain in place even for today, and it has just, if you like, coincided. So it's expected to remain in place. Well, let me just leave it that way. For today's trading session, it was extrapolated that higher prices was going to print. In terms of projections, what do we have? We have 13 dollars, 13.59, 15.03, 15.91. Let's see what's going on the 4-hour chart we left earlier on the 4-hour charts. Okay, weakness is spread to kick in yeah, okay, lower price. Okay, let's see now. Okay, strength is expected to remain in place up till now. So by the next 4 hours, weakness is expected to remain in place up till Tuesday, up to the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 4th of June, tomorrow, the 8th of July. And then after that, you may see high prices going all the way towards Friday, the 11th of July. These are just extrapolations. There's absolutely no guarantee that they will print out that way. We have a downward projection of 12.79. Let's see what we have on the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, we don't have upper projections. I don't think so. We have 12.79 as well, downward projection. On the 2-hour chart, we have what do we have? Let's see what we have. We have 12.79 as well, downward projection. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. Equally a downward projection, 12.97. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. What do we have here? We have 16.25 on upper projection. Lower prices are expected to keep laying out all the way towards just an hour before the market closes today, the 7th of July. So let's see what we have. This is the 5-minute chart. They will have upper projections here, 16.43, and then down projection 12.51. Let's look at the 3-minute chart. We have 14.25, 16.11, 17.11, 17.72. What do we have here on the 1-minute chart? 13.39, 13.14, 12.98, $14, 14.19, 14.31. So yeah, see what you make of KALV, and thank you very much for watching this video.